Sorry, marami po. Manghangin ka po. Birthday to you. Wala pa. Adik, pakasiti yung candle naman tayo. Ngayon naman yung mas malakas at mas energetic. Kantahan natin ngayon na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Kaya sabay natin ang ating birthday girl na ibuha ang kanyang 7 candle. 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday.